Hi guys. Okay, so we're walking to PetSmart right now. So I got the camera.
What are you gonna get? Fish?
Okay, so we are here at PetSmart. Okay.
It's 100. I don't not enough. It's 140.
Okay, so here's some birds.
They got stuck.
Nope.
You got stuck.
No.
Wait, no. We haven't been here. The hamsters are still. Oh, there are these little.
There's nothing in it.
What's in here, guys? Oh my gosh, there's a little bed.
Okay, guys, we're getting distracted.
Yes. So they got a tarantula.
Where?
Where?
Ew.
Can I see? With me. I'm getting it. No, I'm kidding.
So, and then down in this
Get it?
one,
Play with
there's
it? Touch
little
it?
animals right in there.
Love it.
Something is in here. I don't have no clue.
They're treeing frogs.
Tarantula crawling in
Oh, and some other things. There's something in there.
there. That's a snake.
The iguana and the geckos in here. These.
I can't hear you. You're all muffled.
Oh, sorry. The iguana should be in here. Oh no. All right, let's go.
Put in what you asked for. Get the stuff that'll go with us. Like the
So I'm trying not to
assorted
video
stuff
anyone.
like that.
Where are you going? He's looking at tanks.
Ding, dang, ding. I'm just looking.
Ooh, some
I'm
tanks.
looking.
You're not buying a whole new setup.
Look at all these.
I always wanted already.
Dad, Noah, why don't you just get this? Noah,
It's the same as what you have here.
$29.99.
That's what my mom got. That's the same exact thing.
Get it.
For what?
It's.
I don't know.
What are you trying to get?
I'm trying to get guppies.
He wants guppies. Oh, sorry guys. It's like, okay, there we go.
Do you have any larger assorted cichlids or anything? Like Jack Dempsey's that can go.
Pretty good size one.
Yeah. Oh, those are bad. He's got two levels.
Okay. This is the one you're using the system for kids.
We just left the other ones. They had the same problem.
Oh, shoot. Good. One on 156?
No, Tacoma.
Oh,
They were there yesterday and they're like, oh, everything's healthy. I'm like, no. I was like, your fish are coming.
Yeah, I
I'm like,
actually.
and they're like, what? And they looked and they're like, oh, crap. All right, thank you.
Sorry about that.
No, you good. Okay, so no fish.
Everything has
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
Alright, so now what are we gonna do, people? Because I am still videoing here.
Where you going?
Which way, dude? It doesn't matter. No. So this is our life.
I have milk.
I know you have.
Alright, well I think we might end it here
Oh,
because
I think I might get a snake.
You have everything for the puppies.
yeah.
Oh, crap. Oh.
But they're all boys.
It doesn't matter. You can get all three of them, put them in a cage together.
Yeah, but they're they're on
Oh, is it?
Get 3 of these guys. Wait, wait, would, oh, crap.
Okay, so there's nothing in here. So we might get these 3.
Nobody can hear you in that video.
We might get,
We might
that
get
three.
these 3. There. Blue parakeet.
Well, you gotta figure out what you're gonna. Are you gonna get the birds or not?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do that.
Okay.
Right here, that's $72 plus tax, so you'll probably do about $80 some.
Okay,
Wait,
him.
I'm only getting. Let's just get.
2. Alright. I would say let's wrap up this video. No,
if you're gonna get them, you gotta get 2.
Because they'll be lonely. Alright, Noah, we should end this. This is going forever. Okay, so,
That's way long.
alright, well, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.
I'll video me setting the cage up and stuff.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.